as LLMs become more accessible for personal use, tools like Ollama and LM Studio have emerged as leading platforms for running LLMs locally. Both serve similar purposes, enabling users to run models on their own hardware without relying on cloud-based APIs, but they differ in focus, user experience, and flexibility. Ollama is designed with simplicity and speed in mind. It provides a command line interface that allows users to quickly download, run, and interact with open source models such as Llama, Mistral, and Gemma. Its strength lies in ease of setup and efficient model serving. Developers and advanced users often prefer Ollama for scripting, API integration, or lightweight experimentation. Ollama also features model file optimization via gguf formats and supports quantized versions for better performance on local machines, making it ideal for users with limited resources. On the other hand, LM Studio is a GUI-based application aimed at users who prefer a more visual and user-friendly environment. It allows for effortless downloading and running of local models through an intuitive interface. LM Studio shines in its accessibility. Users can chat with models, manage local files, and toggle configurations, all without touching the command line. It also includes built-in support for OpenAI-compatible APIs, enabling seamless integration with tools like AutoGPT or custom apps that require LLM backends. While both tools support a variety of open-weight models, Ollama is more developer-centric, optimized for speed and automation. In contrast, LM Studio is better suited for casual users, educators, and those who value usability over low-level control. Both tools are continuously updated and open new opportunities for private, offline use of powerful language models. In conclusion, Ollama is best for users seeking CLI-based speed, scriptability, and efficiency, while LM Studio caters to those who prefer a visual, accessible, and interactive LLM experience. The choice ultimately depends on the user's technical comfort and workflow needs. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.